Hey everybody, it's Nikki Fuego. I'm here to give you a review on the PatrickStarrr Holiday Collection with Matte Cosmetics. If you want to see how I beat this bug, you better stick around, honey. Okay then, let's get this beat started. At first glance on the commercials, these palettes look a little bit bigger than this. But you know, it's still cute. We got this red glitter case, which is amazing. I love it. And I chose Oh Holy Eyes as one of the palettes. Okay, so we're gonna go right in with this, and this has got a really good mirror. I'm kind of impressed. I'm shook a little. We like a nice rectangle mirror to beat the muggy, you know. This lip, we gonna test it out, see how it looks. All right, guys. So the first color I'm gonna go in with right now is this shady Santa right here, cause you know Santa's a little shady, giving them kids some cold. I don't care how bad a kid is. Why you gotta give them cold? You can't think of anything else to give them to teach them a lesson. You know, you just gotta be a straight up and give them cold. Like, okay. So we're gonna go in right now, and I am using a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just gonna go right on the outer corner of my eye, just really packing that in, and then I'm gonna be kind of blending that out into my crease. This is the first time I've reviewed any PatrickStarrr product, so I literally am going into this with no idea or any expectations of what I'm going to get. Alright, so that eye looks good. I'm gonna do that on the other side really quickly. Now we're gonna go in with Gift Giver, which is this pink shimmery shade right here. There she is. Okay. Ooh, girl. Then I'm gonna go back in there with that fluffy brush and blend those two together. I just want to put my 2 cents out there, since everybody in the whole internet and their mother thinks that it's okay to talk about people's hard work and success on the internet. But I'm gonna chime in too, because it's the internet. There's been a lot of talk about whether these influencers are just trying to put their name on a product just for the sake of putting their name on the product and making money, or if they're actually trying to change the beauty industry and move it forward. Because honestly, I've only been a part of the beauty industry for about 8 months now, and I'm over it. There's just too much of the same thing. There's too much drama, too much bull crap, okay? And I am having a lot of fallout, which is not okay. So we're gonna take this little fan brush and hopefully, so that is one eye done with that. I'm gonna go in on the other eye. Yes, God, yes, God, yes, God, yes, God. That's my mating call, y'all. Okay, look at this smoky 'twas the night look going on right now, okay? We're gonna go in with, gotta look up these colors because nobody puts the colors on the palettes anymore. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with just Jingle Bell Bronze color, and I'm gonna pack that right on the lid in that spot where I left open. Come on, build up. Come on. Build up. Ooh, child. We gotta look. Okay, so as I'm, you know, more than halfway through with this eyeshadow look, I have to say, I don't feel any of this product, like, on my eyes at all, which is not normal. Usually I can tell. Ooh, shimmer. Come on, shimmer. And I'm just kind of like blending inwards because I want most of the attention to be on the center of the eye. Girl, we getting somewhere, honey. Okay, now I'm gonna do that on the other eye. We're gonna move on to the lips. Now this is the shade Ride My Sleigh. Okay, Patrick. Who said you could get rated R with these names, honey? Sure, you got children buying your makeup. Oh, this is Oh, y'all hear that? Oh, this stuff is thick. Oh, she 5C's thick. Okay, I'm scared, but here we go. Oh, no. Oh, child. Oh, no. Lord, girl, somebody call the police. Okay, I wish I could translate I wish that I could translate the texture of this liquid lip because it's not cute. Why the does it feel like I'm putting latex on my lip? This feels like that liquid latex paint that you put on ball caps. Straight up Pooh Bear's honey. Who stole Pooh Bear's jar? I literally feel like I went and got Botox. I look like I went and got Botox. Patrick, honey, nobody said you could do this. Okay, I'm gonna go pop on some these lashes, put on some blush and highlight, and I'm having a really hard time. I feel like I stole somebody's lips. Okay guys, so that is the look complete. So I have to say, overall, I am not upset with this eyeshadow palette. Now, I wouldn't necessarily call this like a holiday look or a holiday palette for sure. These, I don't know, I feel like these shades already exist. Don't drag me, but it's definitely a look and it's definitely a color palette, okay? So I'm gonna have to say that the palette is definitely approved by Nikki Fuego. Can we talk about this lip? Let's have a good old kiki about this lip. First of all, it looks really dark, like really dark red. See how it swatches real dark? I feel like on the lips, it does not come across. Second of all, this applicator though feels cheap. I know, I hate to call a brand out like that, but it feels cheap, honey. And it's like really frayy and it doesn't give like a good crisp line like most applicators. 3, the consistency of this is literally syrup. If you ever been to IHOP and they got them 4 things of syrup, there's like cinnamon, raspberry, regular, and then some other weird flavor that you're too scared to try. And you know how like it's covered in like that nasty residue of syrup and it's all sticking? That's how my lips feel, and that ain't good, honey. I don't want my lips to be feeling like that, okay? We need to be feeling like we at some like Portos or something, not no IHOP, okay? Shoot, over here trying to make me look like a hand-me-down. I'm sorry, this lipstick has me shook. I cannot believe I'm trying so hard to say something good about it. It's cute. Oh child, we need to look at this. Okay, so positive. So there is a like shimmery, glittery finish to it, and I with it. I'm not really a fan of the shade because like I said, I feel like it's too close to my natural lip color, and it doesn't look red to me. This looks like a nude, like a dark nude. This ain't nobody's sled. I mean, look, that don't look the same. See, I'm not mad at this look. This look is okay. I with it. Okay, we gonna stop kikiing about the lip. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the, oh child, girl, I'm about over here starting an earthquake, a tsunami. She bad out. I will be entering my wee opinion on it on Wheesearch.com. Again, thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching me beat this mug into a holiday collection. This is my first holiday collection. This is my first official makeup review. This is my first PatrickStarrr product, changing and shaking up the industry, okay? So yeah, that is my review on the PatrickStarrr holiday collection. There are 3 other lips, liquid lip, or 4 other liquid lips, 3 matte lipsticks, and another palette, and a powder, and a bronzer. But they were out. This is literally all they had at my Ulta. So, be sure to go ahead and check it out for yourself. Let us know how you feel. If you bought this palette or this lip, let us know on Wheesearch.com and go ahead and enter it and tag it. Let us know your wee opinion about it. Or if you bought one of the other products in the holiday collection, be sure to tag and add that to our system so we know. And let us know how it is. Let us know if it compares to this one. Let me know if you found the same issues I did with this lipstick, cause honey, she gone from the collection. She ain't staying, she ain't coming back. She ain't debuting no more, honey. She gone. Rest in peace, okay? If you guys wanna see my show every Sunday, be sure to follow me on Twitch at Nikki Fuego. I stream every Sunday at 6 p.m. Pacific time. And then you could also follow my Instagram, it's Nikki Fuego, drag queen. Nikki Fuego is taken and I ain't got the coin to buy it, so, but that's okay. Because all of my links will be in the description below. Hi. Come on 2018, come on 2018 links,